Good afternoon, everyone. I went to the store today and I found what everyone's been talking about, the St. Patrick's Day limited edition family size Lucky Charms Magic Clovers turn milk green. So I'm going to try and see if these magic clovers on this beautiful box here in this beautiful cereal actually turn my milk green. I'm going to try it. There's also a leprechaun trap on the back, which looks very interesting. We might try that out too in just a second. But I'm anxious to try these magical St. Patrick's Day Lucky Charms. We always eat Lucky Charms on St. Patrick's Day, right? They look extremely delicious. So let's give it a try right after this message.
We're coming for you, Lucky!
This St. Patrick's Day, the clover charms turn milk green.
Where'd he go? We must have made a wrong turn.
Turn your milk green with these special Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.
Alright, let's open this box up, this beautiful green box, and see what's inside. I can already see through the wrapping these beautiful magical Lucky Charms have green clovers inside. Look at the texture of that beautiful cereal right there. Lots of green clovers. So today must be our lucky day to try these lucky St. Patrick's Day green clover Lucky Charms limited edition. I'm keeping the box. So I'm about to try these beautiful green clover Lucky Charms, and so far they taste like regular Lucky Charms. These must be the gold coins. Pretty good. Let's add the milk.
Charms.
He's in that cave.
Up here, laddies.
Hey! Watch it! Yow!
Yo-ho, laddies. Up here. No wonder they're after me, Lucky Charms. 'Tis a new oat cereal with marshmallow bits and lucky shapes. Yellow moons, green four-leaf clovers, orange stars, pink hearts. See 'em mixed right in with the oat cereal. 'Tis a charming cereal, simply charming. A shortcut, I'll take it. 'Tis luck to catch a leprechaun, but nobody can.
Catch a pack of Lucky Charms. Charmin'. A Big G cereal from General Mills.
Okay, so I've added some milk, if everyone can see. And it looks like the milk is turning a little bit green. Let's put the spoon down in it and stir it around and see if it'll turn greener. I think it's turning green. Yep, I believe I see the milk turning green. Right before our eyes. How lucky can you get? How about that? Isn't that pretty green milk? So I want to show everybody this beautiful cereal here. And it's actually turning your milk green. Oh, these are so delicious. I haven't had Lucky Charms, but I only eat Lucky Charms once a year, and that's during St. Patrick's Day. But they turn your milk a beautiful green color, these limited edition Lucky Charms. A beautiful green color. These are so good. I'm going to have all the shapes, the clovers, the coins. I believe those are gold coins with either clovers or stars in them. And they have the classic, on the wheat side, they've got the classic shapes like the bells and the fish, the lucky design. It is very magical and green. And it turns your milk green, which is fun. Very fun. It's just exactly like you see in the picture. It turns your milk a bright green, St. Patrick's Day green, lucky green color. And if you love the marshmallows, there are a good many marshmallows inside this delicious St. Patrick's Day cereal. It's so good. Good and limited edition. I found an article about the St. Patrick's Day limited edition cereal right here. And they came out with their leprechaun trap versions of the cereal boxes and their lucky green limited edition. The green milk actually turns green. And it's 2 limited edition kinds of cereal. And I haven't seen the second one. But I just so happened to see the green one. And I grabbed it up. The other one's a leprechaun trap. So, it's double the green milk. They have charms and treats. St. Patrick's Day themed marshmallows and clover charms turn milk green. You can get them for $4.73 at the store. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon or not. You'll have to take a look. Amazon or eBay or whatever you shop at. But I know I saw them in stores. And the second one, the one with the red box, the green box turns milk green. I'm not sure about the red box. Leave me a comment below if you're sure about it, because I'm not sure if the red version with the little leprechaun trap house on the back turns your milk green or not. But I know the green one does, because we're just trying it just now, and it turned my milk a beautiful St. Patrick's Day, beautiful green color. And it's got a lot of marshmallows in it, and it's so good. If you're a Lucky Charms fan, like me, I have been all my life. So good. And if you want to, if you have extra time, they'll show you how to build your lone leprechaun trap back here so you can catch a leprechaun. And there's like all versions of the marshmallows. I always get the red box. I've never seen the green milk before. I guess they've had it for a while, or at least 2 years. But this is incredible. This is incredible. You can also get the Magic Makers Club limited edition Lucky Charms in a beautiful green box, which I'm keeping. And if I see the other one, I'll pick it up. And we can have that one on St. Patrick's Day also. Get your limited edition cereal before they run out for St. Patrick's Day. It's really, really good. These are very, very enjoyable. It's the most popular morning meal in Ireland. Wow. They love Lucky Charms in Ireland too. But I love the green edition. It really makes that cereal pop. I really like that. I love the green milk. It's absolutely delicious. Don't forget to pick up your package of Lucky Charms cereal wherever it's sold. It'll turn your milk green for St. Patrick's Day. And it's in a beautiful green Lucky Charms box. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching.